back out climbing Munros, and today we're doing the White Mounth Munros. So there's 5 in this group. We're starting with Lochnagar. So back out with Monty, and we're going to be doing a summit camp on one of the summits of the Munros. Not quite sure where yet though. We'll decide soon. Oh, look at those views! That's Meikle Clap. This is us heading up to Lochnagar. That's the top of Lochnagar all the way over there. What time do you think we should walk before we pitch a tent, Monty?
Well, it's 4 o'clock now, we walk for about 3 hours. I think we should pitch a tent about 7 o'clock at night. That gives us about 2 hours of daylight to enjoy.
Yeah, we'll crack on for a bit more. There's no danger of pitching a tent up here as well, it's just rocks. That's the second Munro all the way over there. It's not often I get views. So this is the top of Lochnagar. It is super windy. Well, that's 1,154 metres. 4 more to go though. So that's Lochnagar over there, that's where we've just came from. And our next Munro, which I'm going to try and say, is Càrn, Choire Bhòidheach. I think. Sounds like I've just made it up. And that's it there. Càrn, Choire Bhòidheach. Just 20th of August today, but the wind chill is freezing, and I think that's why Monty has his Christmas hat on.
Going strong for 7 years, 8 years.
It's quite an old hat. So that's the third one in sight over there. And then you've got number 4 and number 5. But we need to find somewhere to camp first. And hopefully a wee bit sheltered from these 50-mile-an-hour winds. A rainbow. That's views of the last 2 Munros that we'll be doing. So just coming up to the third Munro, Càrn and Monty, and it's 1,047 metres. So I believe that's my 50th Munro in total. So there's the Cairn for the top of Càrn and Monty, and this is our tent over here. And the wind is howling. We're meant to be getting gusts of 50 miles an hour, so that's going to be fun. The temperature's also to get to 3 degrees. Got the ramp sleep bag out again. It's meant to be good for 5 degrees. So this is me putting under a test. It's either going to be a miserable night's sleep or it'll be alright. On the top of this hill there's wreckage of a bomber from 1956. 2 people died and they never actually found out what caused the crash. So that's the rain on. I've got a funny feeling I'm going to get no sleep tonight because this wind is epic. So this is me lying in the tent and it's like the wind's proper pushing it down, and this is the only height I've got. Should be way up there, but and it's as tight as I can make it. Could try sleeping the other way, but that's downhill. Anyway, time to crack open a beer whilst I'm waiting for the rain to stop. Cheers. So, for tonight's dinner we're having chicken fajitas with rice. As always, these meals are not pretty to look at. Yeah, it's alright. Big chunks of chicken. This wind is mental. Jetboil didn't take long to boil though, so hats off to it. Thought it would struggle in this wind. Whoa. So the wind's still battering my tent about. It's not going to change. I've had my dinner and I think I'm just going to go to bed. It's 9:45, but yeah, nothing else to do. See you guys in the morning. It's 2:30. The wind is still blowing. Good morning. That was a rough sleep last night. It was warm enough, but that wind, whoa. Checked the Met Office and the Cairn well, the closest place that they've got previous data for, and it got up to 61 mile an hour wind. So I don't think we were far off it here. Tents did really well. Hilliberg Akto was bomb proof obviously. I'm really impressed with Monty's tent. That wind is freezing cold. So, what tent do you think's doing better? If you want to know more about Monty's gear, head over to his channel. It's Monty Outdoors, but I'll stick it in the corner. Just had a wee donder about and came across more of this crashed bomber. It is so unbelievably cold this morning. That wind is just cutting right through me. That's the cloud just disappeared. Some more wreckage of the bomber. So that's where we camped last night. Monty's just making sure there's nothing left. Always remember guys, leave no trace. We're on to do another 2 Munros now. There's the route to the next Munro. Munro number 4, and hopefully we'll get views down Glen Mick. Row number 4, Cairn Bannoch. 1,012 metres. I had to think about that one. There's the last one. Broad Cairn. That's us, top of Broad Cairn. 998 metres, and that's the final Munro. Just a long slog out now. It's been a brilliant adventure though. That's the route all the way back out, all the way down to the other side of Loch Mick. But check those views out. Fantastic.